Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's 3D the Rap Star, aka it's the Benzman. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at it's the Benzman. That's ITSTHEBENZMAN. And today I'm back with the CL550 with another video. I know you guys have been wondering. So the car is back. It's running like a beast. It's running like a champ. As you guys can see, here it is. And we're going to talk about that ABC malfunction and what was the price and what was the cost to fix what was wrong with it. Guys, you know we about to do that, but before we get into that, you know what we got to do. Let's get some angles. So guys, before we get into the actual paper, the actual statement, the actual how much did it cost, let's go over, you know, how the car feels in my experience. So, you know, guys, as you can see, the car did get towed into the place. So it got towed in, and roughly around a Tuesday, the owner worked so hard, guys. Shout out to East Bay Auto House in Oakley, California. Good guys. The owner himself made sure that my car was done that Friday before roughly the time that they get off at 5. Let's say 5 p.m. And he even drove it out for me. And he said what it was. He said that, guys, he said, oh yeah, I fixed the car, guys. And he was not supposed to be over there working on it, but he did just for me because I needed that tags. I needed that small because, guys, you know, I did get that new plate, which is beastie, and I'm surprised it was still here. My bro went online to the DMV thing and he put it in and it was there. I was surprised. So I did get that custom plate with that 2019, guys. If you do want to know registration prices for this car, it is a lot now that I do have the custom plate. So it's gonna run, you guys, if you do want to know, it's a 2008 model car, and the registration and tags still runs me for roughly about $400 something. Wow, that's crazy. So guys, no lie, I get the car back, and so I let it sit like this because it is at idle right now. I know, wasting a lot of gas. So it sits at idle, and so I take off and I go to a light, and at the light it starts smoking a little bit, and I go, oh man, it's not fixed. Something is wrong with the car. But that was just from, you know, just letting it breathe, letting, you know, whatever it was going out the car, leaking out, you know, and that smoke from, you know, the engine turning and it clearing out the system. But overall, good job, guys. The car has been running like a champ. So before I even posted this video, I have rode around in the car maybe for a good week just to make sure that it's running good, guys, and it's running great. So we are going to get into the repair prices and everything about it. Because knowing the SBC system, I didn't think it'll go out on this car. I know they go out on every Mercedes, but I did not think it'll go out, which took, I mean, a long time, like 10 years, 70 on the clock. And so, guys, make sure you do go back. Just look how the city look. It's not even foggy out here. It's not. That's all from the fires we are having in California. Just look, it's pretty bad. But guys, make sure you go back and watch the other video if you haven't seen the other one yet about the car going out and it going on a tow truck and everything. Make sure you go back and watch that one, because it's information leading up to what I did now to the car, how I got it fixed, and you know, the journey of it and how the car is riding now, which is pretty good. Guys, let's get to the good part, subs. I know what you guys here for. Let's see them prices. Function light is on the dash. Check and advise. Guys, that job total just to look at was about $74. Yes, it was $74.50. So, with that said, it was $74 to look at. Normally it's about $150 to $160, but they worked with me. I guess it was gonna be free since I had just brought the car there, but it needed further evaluation to really look inside, I guess. But enough of that. So here's what was wrong with it, with the ABC malfunction light on the dash. Guys, so it roughly was the ABC, the active body control hose. So basically we were looking at a pressure hose, some power steering fluid, suspension filter, drive belt, and seal rings. And that's the labor on that. And then we go down here, guys, and get to it. Job total $1,104. Guys, so it wasn't the actual ABC suspension, like going up and down, you know, it's like it was the hose. So I kind of got saved there. It wasn't upward of $2,000. It was, you know, $1,100, which was more on the reasonable side. So that what was wrong with it. That's why it's leaking. You can see here, estimate to replace, bleed system, perform rodeo, clear codes necessary, calibrate ABC, clean contaminated area, replace poly belt due to contamination. So when everything leaked out, it got contaminated, it got messed up, it got everything leaked out. But guys, I'm back on the road. Like I said earlier, the car is in good condition and the car is running great. It's running fine. With these cars, that's why I wish it kind of didn't have the ABC system, but I'm glad because, guys, it runs. It's back to the toast on butter again, guys. It's running really good. And as you can see, like how the suspension sit is back perfect, it's back fine, and it's back doing good. Like I was thinking when I had it that this part right in here was messed up. I thought it was the whole like suspension system that went out. I thought it was going to be roughly about $2,500, but what actually saved me, that it wasn't, guys. And look, if you could see and look in there, it's like all cleaned out. Well, still rusty and dirty, but it's clean of anything that was leaking under the car. So basically, guys, I did get lucky with that on the repairs. You know, guys, I don't know if you guys can hear it, you know, as I'm driving, but the car sounds really smooth. Whoa, it got all its power. I'm back on the road, guys. You know, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel so you don't miss a video, guys, because with all these latest videos I'm posting up, it's like a series. You know, if you miss one on the car getting fixed, then you might not see the other one on the other car. I mean, yeah, on the car getting fixed, so you might miss a video to where you see this video, but you don't see the other video of me of what happened with the car and why it was in the tow truck and in the tow shop. So, guys, make sure you... Whoa. That's with the windows up, guys. So, yeah, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Guys, and another thing I got to tell you guys, I'm going with a different wrap color. I'm not going to reveal it just yet. Guys, what you guys think? Leave in the comments what you guys think on the wrap color. Like, what's the best wrap color? Whoa, like what you guys think is the best wrap color. And reason why I am going to rewrap it, I'm about to show you guys right now what I did. I messed it up from not cleaning it and not like just leaving the wrap like all messed up, and yeah, just not really caring about it. So this is what happened right here. Ooh, look, nasty. It almost looked like it's designed to go in there. Listen to the exhaust. It almost seemed like it's designed, but it's not. I messed the wrap up, guys. I'm going new color, guys. What do y'all think would complement this red the best? Please let me know in the comments.
How you doing, guys?
Hey, pretty good.
How long you gonna be in this?
5 more minutes. Because if you know me, I don't drive fast. I just mostly take pictures and just record the car.
I know. I'll let you do
Yeah.
stuff for 5 minutes. Okay?
I'm about to head out.
All right.
All right, thank you. Thank you.